Good morning everyone. This is Pinky Yadav as an English teacher at Suraj School Behadargarh. So dear students, let's start our class. Today I am going to explain chapter number 8, that is Reach for the Toiv. This chapter is from Beehive and it is 8th chapter. Class 9th chapter number 8, that is Reach for the Toe. Reach for the toe. And it is bifurcated. It is bifurcated. Bifurcated means होता है divided. Divided into two parts. Into two parts. First part is reach for the toe. Sorry, first part is Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav, and the second part is Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova. Mariasharapova. Maria Sharapova. These are two chapters. These are two parts which is from reach for the top, and reach for the top chapter consists of two parts, or it is bifurcated into two parts, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. Both the chapter and the story of both chapters shows a heroic story. In those chapters, in both the chapters, there is main character, there is a heroine who shows her self story, who shows her courage, her bravery, and after that they get success. They became sensation in the world by getting achievement, and they are very hard work, very determined girl. In both the story or both the chapter, the story shows about their courage. They shows their bravery and courage in these stories. So now I am going to start first part, that is Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav chapter. Santosh belongs to, main character is Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav. She belongs to Joniavas village. Joniavas village. Joniavas is a small village. Joniavas is a small village of Rewari district. Rewari district in Haryana. Santosh Yadav belongs to Joniavas. Joniavas is a small village, and this village is in Rewari district in Haryana. And she belongs to a very rich family. She belongs to rich family. Rich family. Her parents are very affluent, and her parents are affluent landowners. Her parents are affluent landowners. It means they are very rich. They can afford her children to get to enroll in a very reputed school, even in the capital of India. I mean to say in Delhi. But they were very traditional people. They wanted to follow the custom which was prevailing in their village. They belong to Joniavas village, and there was a custom. There are so many customs, but they wanted to follow all the customs which were prevailing in the society at that time. That's why they didn't send their children out of the village. But Santosh was a very determined girl. She started to live her life from the beginning on her own terms. She started to live her life on her own terms. Other hand, the girls wore traditional dresses, but she started to wear shorts from the very beginning of her life, because she wanted to live her life on her own terms, that's why she started. And after that, when she was not born, so once it is said that once her mother along with her grandmother was traveling somewhere. So a holy man a holy man holy man means religious person, साधु संत कह सकते हो तुम लोग। एक होली मैन मिला, होली मैन blessed her mother with a son. He blessed her mother that may God give her a son. But nearby Santosh grandmother was also standing, and she heard all the thing. She said, holy man, we don't want a son. Her grandmother make the holy man surprised that by saying that she did not want a son, but she wanted a daughter. She said that, holy man, we want a daughter, we don't want a son, because Santosh was the sixth child of her parents. She was the sixth child of her parents. She had five brothers. She has 5 brothers, and she is the only daughter of her parents, along with 5 sons of her parents. So holy man was very surprised to see that, or to hear that they did not want a son, but they want a daughter. At that time, everybody wanted a son. So everybody was surprised there. After that, when Santosh was born, her parents gave her name Santosh. Santosh means contentment. Contentment means satisfaction. But Santosh was not content with her life. Santosh was not content with the way by which she was living at that time, because everybody was following the custom which was prevailing in her country, but she wanted to live her life on her own terms. So she was not content every time. There was a custom that if a girl is 16 years old, then her parents must get her married. कि 16 साल की बच्ची होते ही, उस विलेज में ऐसा कस्टम था कि 16-17 साल की बच्ची होते ही लड़की की शादी कर देनी चाहिए. So she was also forced. Santosh was also forced to get married, but she denied her parents to get married. She threatened her parents that she will not get married. She will not get married until she get proper education. She wanted to get proper education. That's why she denied her parents. Her parents said that they will not send her to the capital of India to get high school education, but they said that they will not pay fee. School fee. She threatened her parents by saying that she will work part-time. And part-time to earn money and pay her school fee herself. By listening this, her parents agreed that they will pay. Then she enrolled herself in Delhi in a school to get high school education. And there, after getting high school education, she went to Jaipur. After getting high school education, she went to Jaipur to get further education. So that's all for today. Rest of the part of this story I will explain in the next video. Thank you.